Alright, so this is going to be a Costco sale item review of this Fever Tree Sparkling Pink Grapefruit drink. Alright, normally $15.99, it was $5 off, so $11 plus CRV. In California, that's another 60 cents. Alright, let's go ahead and take a closer look. So if 3/4 of your drink is the mixer, mix with the best. 12 bottles, sparkling pink. Okay, I don't drink alcoholic beverages, so yeah, I'm not going to be mixing it with anything. With natural flavors, including a refreshing burst of grapefruit, right? Taste juicy and zesty. 50 calories per bottle, no artificial sweeteners. 12 9.3 fluid ounce, 275 milliliter glass bottles. 111.6 fluid ounces, 6.97 pints, 3.3 liters total. Okay, so fragile glass containers, it says to keep upright. I already turned it sideways, so hopefully it's not all broken. I mean, if it was broken, there'd be liquid everywhere, right? All right, at Fever Tree, everything we do is driven by taste. Since founding our brand in 2005, we've never stopped in our quest to create the best tasting mixers. Traveling the globe in pursuit of the finest ingredients. It's Best by May 2025. So right now it's almost September 2024, so what's that, 5 6 7 8 months, right? Best before the end. Anyways, there's all of that. Okay, here you go. Fever Tree, the perfect Paloma. 1/4 premium tequila, 3/4 Fever Tree sparkling pink grapefruit, and garnish with grapefruit wedge. Okay, yep, that's not happening. Alright, then they got the stuff here. Sparkling pink grapefruit, 7.5% juice. Ingredients are carbonated water, red grapefruit juice from concentrate, fructose, which is fruit sugar, pink grapefruit juice, citric acid, natural grapefruit flavoring with other natural flavorings. Natural flavorings, what's all these natural flavorings? Natural flavorings. Sodium bicarbonate, ascorbic acid, fruit and vegetable juice for color, right? Contains natural flavors and no artificial sweeteners. Nutrition facts, 12 servings per container, serving size is 1 bottle, 50 calories per serving. All right, there is 40 milligrams of sodium, 2%, 13 grams of carbs, 5%, 12 grams of sugar, which includes 10 grams added sugars, and there's no vitamins or minerals, all right? Manufactured by for that company, and best before, we already looked at that. Don't store in direct sunlight, all right? The color may fade, and it may separate naturally, so gently invert before serving. So I'm already inverting it all over the place. Contents under pressure, open and handle with care. Please recycle, no refill. All right, there you go. So let's go ahead and open this up. So this has, I guess, the tabs. You can pull it this way. Okay, and you can open both sides and then flip the whole thing up. So let's do that. And there we go. So this is what they look like. All right, let me move this box out of the way. So it is labeled for individual resale. Okay. 50 calories. There you go. Pink grapefruit with natural flavors, including a refreshing burst of grapefruit. Okay. Better have a bursting burst of grapefruit. It's grapefruit. All right. And then they have all the same nutrition facts here, which is hard to read because they put a picture of a tree behind it. And yeah, all right, let's go ahead and give it a try. So it's a twist top. Okay, comes out just like that. You see it has a little rubber seal there and the water resistant coating on top. All right, you can see it looks all misty in there. There you go. That's what it looks like. Let's give it a try. Definitely tastes like grapefruit. It's good. If you like the flavor of grapefruit, and then they also sweeten it with some sugar, so it's not just completely that sour grapefruit taste, it has some sweetness to it, then you'll like this. Yeah. I don't know about mixing it with other stuff because I don't drink alcohol and I don't do mixes like that. But if you've had that kind of stuff before, I guess it'll probably taste like that. Tequila and grapefruit juice or sparkling grapefruit. All right, not really much else to say. It's basically a grapefruit flavored soda. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And yeah, if you like the flavor of grapefruit, definitely recommend giving this a try. Bye.